Hey, welcome to Nursing 7050 Advanced Population Health. I know that this is template up here, so just ignore that. I haven't downloaded the course yet. Okay, so really quick, I'm so glad that you guys are continuing your journey with education at Intermountain Healthcare, where I work now, doing some evidence-based practice business, policy business, and research. It's been fun to see how we integrate the DNP into our facilities, whether you are an APRN or not. So it's fun. It's a great thing. All right, let me take you through this course real quick. It's set up just like any other course. All right, the start here takes you to my introduction, just a little bit of information about me, but really what's important about this whole thing is this: my telephone number and my email. I am very quick to respond. If I'm not, please get a hold of me again, because then I've missed it somehow. But I'm good with texting. I'm good with phone calls. If you text me, just let me know who you are. And email, you can email me either through Canvas or just my regular email at Weber State. It comes to both emails. So then, of course, this is just the same as every other course syllabus, course schedule, and any resources you may need. Announcements, just real quick. The one thing about announcements is I try to post in there every week. And so I do expect you to be in your course frequently, especially when it comes to discussions, since they are ongoing discussions. We don't just post once and check in once or twice. I guess as doctoral level folks, I mean, we all should be checking in on everybody's posts to see what they have to say. Anyways, so again, just to go back to announcements, I do try to post every week, keep you updated on things. If I have something that seems urgent, I will send out a group email. Okay, syllabus discussions. Let's go to the modules really quickly so I can go over this. This is the course overview in itself. So let me see here. File naming conventions just should be the same as any other course. I do expect that any paper that you submit, have a name it per the convention. It just helps with data management. Bookmarking resources. You're going to get a lot of resources in this course because population health, constantly evolving, new stuff coming out. And so I do teach you when you, or I show you when you go into this little box or link, how to set up a file in Chrome, and Chrome is what you should be using anyways for Canvas. To skim or scan or both, I know that in doctoral programs there is a lot of reading. So this kind of gives you an idea what to really focus on. All right, coffee shop talk. This is for you guys. I never look in here. As a matter of fact, if you want to have, if you have a specific question for me, please email me or text me. The introduction. This is only about. You won't be responding to each other. When you tap in there, what you'll find is that I really want you to be able to tell me, or I want you to tell me quickly about your project and where you're going with it and what your plans are. Okay, so again, this is set up like every other course. What you're going to see though, epidemiology, I know y'all had that. What you're going to see though when we start in week 6, 7, 8, and beyond is that you're going to be building a signature assignment. So through each unit, you build a part of that paper and eventually you will submit it in the end. It's pretty extensive, so that's why I've broken it out over the semester. One of the things about it, we're partners in learning. I firmly believe that. I am going to learn more from you than probably you'll ever learn from me. The one thing, though, that's important to me is that we know each other's expectations. And I mean, you are responsible for your learning. I'm responsible to facilitate the course. If I'm falling down, you have to let me know. The other thing, though, an expectation of mine is truly scholarly writing and APA format. So I have high expectations of that. You've already completed a semester. So one of the things I'm doing when you get to your paper section is I'm putting in some quick YouTubes that I'm making, such as how to set your paper up, how to set up the styles and headings for your paper, and the use of headings and such as that. The APA manual is good. You need to refer to that, but especially chapters 3 and 4 if you have some problems with. I don't expect anybody to be perfect. We're in here to learn. But chapters 3 and 4 is really good when it comes to mechanics of writings, use of pronouns, all that kind of stuff. But the one thing I want to go back here is You will be setting your paper up with styles and headings, number one, per APA, but secondly, you guys, this will help you so much when it comes to your final paper, when you have to build a table of contents and stuff like that. So anyways, that's it. That's pretty much it for the course, just the usual business. But again, I am accessible and I have my phone and I'm always willing to set up time for you as a student. So let me know. Okay.